Yeah.
I mean Zamu. Sing
What's up, bro?
from love.
Well, I call this a day in the life of a serial entrepreneur. I go by the name of David Olaka, David Diamond, and then I have a friend with me right here, and I'm preparing a little documentary of our activities for today. And I think this, in some way, is repetitive, although we add more value and we try to develop ourselves every day. But for today, we'll be having, you know, scenes, moments, talks, experiences on how our activities are going to roll, and you're going to see how the day goes for people like us who refer to ourselves as entrepreneurs, because there's no actual definition for what we do. We just try to make something out of every opportunity that we find. Hope to catch you out later.
No vex, I want flex. No vex, we want flex. No vex, we want flex. No vex. Metaphysical, metaphysical. Bust them off like a nigga, like a nigga.
We're at the site where a structure is being put up for Joe. What's the structure about?
This structure is meant to house the goods of Nestle company. They are going to use it as a warehouse where they will stock their goods. So as you can see now, it's under construction. We're already on the first floor. What we are doing right now, we are casting the lintel. So after the lintel, we will do the leveling. Then we will talk of roofing before other construction activities will commence. So we are here to see how the work is going on. If you look around, you will see people mixing concrete, and I'm here with my managed man, Mr. Dave.
I know of deal7solutions.com. Tech deal7 solutions. Yeah, major products right there. Major software right here.
If I'm to connect two industries, the real estate industry and the technology industry, I think they have a lot of similarities. Correct me if I'm wrong. It has to do with teamwork. It has to do with proper supervision. It has to do with skill and innovation. So before you can get something like this concrete, which you've explained the process, though not in depth, we understand that for it to be achieved, you've worked with electricians. Besides the electrician, they must have designed how.
You have the mechanical team.
Yeah.
The plumber has to, because they have to do the drainage, the water supply.
Yeah.
So all these are activities that involve a mechanical engineer.
Yeah. See, you are standing with an employed labor.
Yeah.
Actually, he's nude, and I think some ladies will find him very attractive.
Yeah.
Some ladies will find him attractive, right? What's your name, please?
My name is Fidelis Wanko.
Fidelis Nwankwo.
Yes.
Oh, interesting. Fidelis, what do you do here, please?
Yes, I'm one of a casual worker laborer here. And
Yes.
when you see around the environment, you see that a work is going on.
Yes.
Affordably.
Obviously. I see you're having fun, because for a man who smiles at his work, that means he's very positive. How do you have challenges you pass through and face like every day?
Anyway, as a human being, we need to have challenges, but only that we can make sure that we can be able to overcome the challenges. That
Yes.
we see us, we are laborers.
Yes.
Work
Yes.
is not moving anywhere, but when you see where we can manage ourselves today, we try to put our focus, our interest to know whether we can achieve our daily bread for the day.
Oh, I see. So amidst all challenges, focus, hard work keeps you going, right? That's interesting, Wanko. That's interesting. That's very nice talking to you.
Okay.
Very nice talking to you.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. It's more about tasks and strategies of strategies put in place to achieve these tasks, to execute and have victories. Well, Joe was telling me something about how he achieves through teamwork, through hiring the right people, and I think every entrepreneur or business person or worker applies these same concepts to achieve their own personal dreams. And right now, like I said, we're on the sites where Joe supervises a job which is handling for Nestle Nigeria Limited. They're building up a warehouse where they could stock their goods. I think the previous office or space or outlet they have is currently going out of what do I say? Space, running out of space.
Yeah. For now, Nestle. Meanwhile, the person that owns here is their distributor.
Yeah.
Before now, they have a warehouse, and they also have a workers' accommodation, a place where they accommodate the workers.
Yeah.
You understand? So, but now they want to have a place. That what they are planning to do presently is to arrange this place so that they can use the ground floor for goods.
Yeah.
And their workers can live
Upstairs.
upstairs.
Interesting.
Sometimes I stand cold at the junctions. Sometimes
Back again. David Diamond representing Protect DO7. Yeah, we're right now we're about to get fuel. We're about to get fuel so we can proceed to the gas company, our clients. So stop over for a little brief.
it was those nights when we were carry everything about no. It was those nights.
Hi there. On our way right now to a client's office. It's a gas retail company actually. Yesterday a printer developed fault, printer we previously had worked on, and right now we're going to get the printer installed for this gas retail company, which we at DO7 Solutions manage their ICT department. So Joe is on the wheels
To take care of my family,
yeah,
and take care of people around me, to meet up with my responsibility. So, but I'm doing this and hoping with my own effort and also with God's support that one day I will find something that will be a permanent stop, something that I'm sure of that will keep food on my table, that will make me not to lack.
okay.
So, but I'm just looking at every other thing that I'm doing this day as a journey towards getting to that particular stage in life.
Yeah. This idea of creation based on necessity in this environment we find ourselves in, and you're seeing a solution that you think is actually what will really take you people to the next phase of life, or take me and you to the next phase of life. You're just seeing that this is actually what everybody is trying to do, and though people are falling out and you're really going, probably not at the pace you want to, but you know, you're seeing it, and somehow some way your life is being changed economically, financially. Your orientation about things also get changed based on your contact with people and how things are being done. So you say making money is not by strength.
It's not by strength, it's not that you are too powerful, it's not by weightlifting, it's actually you putting a little effort, and God's strength is God that is number one. You put a little effort, and if God is in support, you will make it.
You heard it firsthand. I have my own perspective though, but it's somewhat similar.
You have to take the things that you do serious, no matter how little it is.
Inugo, Inule, Kujugo, Bangutong, Amekup, Shey you grab. You heard first-hand information from entrepreneurs. You dig? Yeah, right now we're at the site. Your location. Yeah, you can park here. We'll go in and do the job. Well, here's the client's office where they sell retail gas, cooking gas. So we're about to get your system maintained, the entire ICT department on check. Let's go.
See the solution in the cloud, solution in my mouth, solution everywhere, everywhere, everybody's here. That's the way we create all the wealth. That's the way we do create all the wealth. Problem in the country and we going very, very.
So I think speaking of customer service, this is something you should learn from. Learn from Cynthia. She's always smiling. You see, you always have a smile. If you find a customer, they will not pay you money. They don't give you money.
They won't come back again.
They will come back again. You can see the environment, right? You can see some products, and the way this is the way it starts. We have a software service or software package drafted such that inventory could be managed, products could be managed. So the system is very efficient. Besides it being efficient, you have the hardware products which are always working in line and always when called upon. I can see some other person. Come in. She's scared. That's Cynthia's colleague. Cynthia's a warrior friend. Hello.
Mr. Dave, good afternoon.
Yes, this is Cynthia's colleague. She's also a rep for Tbt Gas Company, and she gets to meet a lot of people. So I'll also ask her a few questions.
Don't ask me because I won't answer.
You won't answer. So Cynthia, what challenges do you face like every day with customers?
Let's just say some customers, they can be very, I don't know how to say it, but some of them are
Yes.
they will tell you this and that is what they want to do.
Yeah.
Even when you try to correct them, they are like, I beg, I'm not interested.
Seriously.
Yes, sir.
So how do you manage this?
So
How do you manage
have
it?
to like talk with them, even when they don't want to hear. You make them, explain to them that this is how things are done.
Okay.
Or when they tell you their own, you like listen to what they have to say.
All right. So from what I'm picking, you have to listen to them.
Yes.
You have to be polite.
Yes, sir.
Then you offer your solution in a very respectful manner.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, they will run. Wow.
We don't want them to run.
Wow. So, amid this challenge, what keeps the smile always on your face?
Let us say it's really good. You don't have to pay for it.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Wow. I can see your workstation is fully set and ready for anybody that wants to come and do business with you.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, Cynthia.
No problem, sir.
Well, we can see a few systems owned by Tbt Gas Company, and actually this is the manager's office, and from here the entire systems here are actually networked, and then there's a central operating system actually for the business, a customized application which we developed to manage inventory, payroll, clients, sales, etc. And then right now we're carrying out some maintenance on this system. You can see how shabby this place is looking, so that's why our presence is always required here for efficient job delivery. Now the systems are actually put on, some other systems are already running on maintenance already, so you can see the printer which we actually got fixed, so it's now well and running. We're about to get this entire office check, economically, operations wise and etc. So what I'm about to do here right now, I'll carry out do some backups, some system upgrades, installations, defragmentations, ensure that the status and integrity of these computer systems are in check, and also the personnel who make use of this equipment are up to date as regards the use of its applications too.
The company, DO7 Solutions and Services, you know what that means. That's the matter, where the keys start. Yo, listen.
Now, job over, pay time, open your eyes, collect cash. DO7 Tech Solutions, getting the money now.
Money, come my way. Money.
Now it's time for the bar.
Money, come my way. Yeah, my money, we go also hard. For the money thing, I will never got it lost. Money stuck when I meet demand. Tell you want the money, holla Naira rand.
Balling out time.
You want the money plenty like the sand. Me want the money cutting out the bands. Okay, hands in the edge, yo. If you want the ego, there are diamonds in the mud. Better lower your ego before you.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. How fast regards the computer, the laptop? So are you through? Are you done? Okay, he should come around and get it, right? You're not very clear. Please let me understand what you're saying. All right. So by 5 it will be ready. All right. So, Joe, what the guy is saying is that by 5 the system should be ready.
I'll drop you at home.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. So we have to pick up a system which we put out for some work.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm telling them. I will have to get a system which we put up day before yesterday for some work. So the laptop probably will be used for office operations for the new employee which we are trying to get into the retail store. Yeah, just to mention, a retail outlet, DO7 Solutions and Services has a retail outlet which we call DO7 Computer Works, where a lot of our services and products are being put for sale and for the easy access for clients and customers to get what we have to offer anyways. So we're passing through an employment process where we for real we need some extra hands, so we can have somebody, a rep right there at the office, such that when we now collate or go around, get jobs, we process them right there at the office, and then we'll have them well recorded, trying to better and become more valuable. So that's why we're going to get this laptop from the outsourced source or person who said by 5 it's going to get ready. It's going to be ready. Anyway, I'm kind of tired because I'm a bit hungry. And Joe, I believe, also is hungry for food actually, and hungry for success, for victory. And right now we have one pending. So the client I just called and said I should come and do some things for him. He's actually not picking, so I probably will get his call after now. Anyways, peace out.